So hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone sound and vibration setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we enable screen touch sound setting. Friends, you want to enable guys your Infinix phone touch sound, so how can you enable and how can you use it? So but it touch sound, so you can see when we click on any icon and when we click on this button, so when this background sound where the touch sound is not working, so how can we enable this sound in Infinix mobile and how can we use it in Infinix phone? So let's open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it, fans click on phone sound and vibration, tap on sound and vibration, again scroll it, fans click on the touch sound guys. We will enable from this right side icon. After enable guys, how can you use? So when you will back and guys you can see when you will click on this button, so once you can see your touch sound is enabled. So when you will click on any icon, so once you can use get this touch sound setting like that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, bye bye friends.